Hello everyone. Today I'm going to introduce you to a simple two-sided semi-transparent openwork knit that's ideal for a light sweater or scarf and goes well with warm weather clothing. It is suitable for knitting with both thin and medium thick yarn. It looks equally on both sides. There are 3 loops and 1 row in the scheme. The knitted piece is identical on both sides. The knitted sample was created using a hook size of 4. The sample has a number of loops that is a multiple of 3, plus 4 edge stitches. The row begins with 2 edge stitches to stabilize and seal the edge of the fabric. The repeat pattern is: create a loop by wrapping the yarn from the bottom up and over the needle. Slip the second stitch, and knit 2 together through the back. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together. It is important to observe that the direction of hooking the yarn over loop is bottom up. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. On the next row, we knit the same way. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together. Yarn over, slip 1, knit 2 together. Keep knitting in this manner till the end of the row. The knitting has an easy-to-make pattern, is quickly memorized, and creates a spectacular fabric with a gentle texture. It's really elegant and fashionable. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate your presence. If you find the video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.